Ever wondered what it's like to be a Canadian investor? They seem to have this magic investing platform called Wealthsimple that everyone raves about. But what if you're not lucky enough to hold a maple syrup passport? Can you still hop on the Wealthsimple train and grow your money north of the border? Well, buckle up, because today we're cracking open the mystery behind Wealthsimple and residency. Let's face it, the investment world can be a confusing jungle, especially when you start looking at platforms based in other countries. But fear not, fellow investor, we're here to shed some light on this specific situation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand with Wealthsimple, whether you're a Canadian citizen living abroad or someone who's just always dreamed of investing like a Canadian. So, can you use Wealthsimple outside of Canada? Short answer, it's not that simple. Wealthsimple is a Canadian powerhouse, and like many institutions, they have regulations to follow. Here's the deal, Wealthsimple is only licensed to hold accounts for residents of Canada. That means they can't open accounts for people living outside the country, even if you're a Canadian citizen who decided to chase sunshine in Bali. This might seem like a downer, but there's a reason behind it. Regulatory restrictions and tax implications get complicated when you start dealing with cross-border investing. Wealthsimple wants to make sure everything is above board, and that can only happen if they stick to the Canadian resident model. But wait! Don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. There might still be hope for your Canadian investing dreams. Here's the thing, if you're a Canadian resident moving abroad, things get a little tricky. Wealthsimple requires you to be a resident for tax purposes to hold an account. So, if you pack your bags and jet off, you'll have some decisions to make about your Wealthsimple account. Here are your options. Hold. You can choose to keep your investments with Wealthsimple, but your account will be frozen. You won't be able to make any deposits, withdrawals, trades, or enjoy the sweet magic of compound interest. Basically, your money will just sit there, watching the market go up and down without you being able to participate. Transfer, this might be a better option. You can transfer your Wealthsimple holdings to another institution that allows non-resident accounts. This way, your money can keep growing, even if you're not living in Canada anymore. Cash out. Now, this is the most drastic option, but it's on the table. You can choose to withdraw all your money from Wealthsimple. Just remember, there might be tax implications depending on your situation, so do your research before making this move. Now, what if you're not a Canadian citizen at all, but you're just fascinated by the Canadian investment scene? Unfortunately, Wealthsimple isn't the platform for you in that case. Their residency requirements are strict, and for now, they only cater to the Canadian market. However, that doesn't mean you're out of luck. The beauty of the investing world is that there are a ton of platforms out there. With some research, you can find a reputable investment platform that allows you to invest based on your specific residency and financial goals. So, there you have it. The truth about Wealthsimple and residency. While it might not be the answer some of you were hoping for, it's important to understand the regulations at play. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your research, explore your options, and find the platform that best suits your needs, regardless of where you call home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.